Almost 2 o'clock. 2 tractors. Duals off on one, these off on the other, wides on. Putting 420s on. Putting 320s on one of them, taking the 320s off. Oh yeah, let's do this. World's best jack right there. Emerson Manufacturing. Oh yeah. Alright, let's get to it. Not bad. Almost no light up, you piece of crap. 10 after 4, started 10 before 2. Two tractors, duals off, skinnies on, skinnies off, wides on. Oh yeah. Let's clean up some tires now. Fun part. Got all tires cleaned up. Gonna hit this with the final retorque in the morning here. Oh yeah, oh, nice and nasty. Fun stuff. You wouldn't believe how much just torquing these to the recommended torque spec really helps them from moving. Helps quite a bit. So yeah.